Workers' Week is a special period for us in Jamaica. And so this year it will begin on Sunday, May 14, and culminate 9 days later on May 23. The period of Workers' Week coincides with the 100th anniversary of the birth of Jamaica's third Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Hugh Shearer.
The observation of Workers' Week is concerned with critically reviewing labor issues across our country and taking steps to make improvements where necessary. This year, we mark 85 years since the start of the labor movement to improve working conditions in Jamaica. It took tremendous struggle and fortitude to get us to where we are today. Consider that in 1938, our forebears faced a struggle for equality and basic rights under a system that was designed to extract and utilize their skills without reasonable returns. Back then, a normal work day could have been as high as 14 hours. The concept of job security did not exist. Rights and privileges was just a dream, as was the idea of respect for workers and providing them with decent conditions. We have come a far way since then, but the struggle is still continuing. Today, we pay homage to the courageous and brave men and women who led the struggle for rights and privileges and the benefits that we enjoy today. Thanks to the work of Sir Alexander Bustamante and the many other leaders and workers in the labor movement, we now have a plethora of trade unions that safeguard the rights of workers and ensure that pay and working conditions are acceptable. While 1938 stands out as the start of the labor movement because of its more recent vintage, we should never forget the role that our national heroes such as Sam Sharp and Paul Bogle played in ensuring that we were, one, free from enslaved labor, and that, two, the conditions under which we lived as a people and could earn, that those conditions were ameliorated. They planted the seeds, and today, as we launch this annual remembrance, recognition of their work and the work of many others, we recognize that without their effort, what we have today that we can enjoy, we recognize that without them, we would not have been able to do so. So Workers' Week is a time for reflection and review, to jealously protect our hard-fought and won gains while responding to new and emerging labor market issues as we continue along the path to a better and more prosperous Jamaica for all our people.